And we're here in California. State lawmakers are making moves to make the Golden State abortion sanctuary. State lawmakers are debating 14 new bills right now that could become law.
So let's go to ABC 10's political reporter Morgan Reiner. She's with the Reiner Report. Morgan, what do these bills do?
Monica and Brio, one will create a fund to help pay for women to get an abortion. That could mean cost of travel and lodging. Another allows nurse practitioners to perform early abortions with the proper training in like the first semester, for example. All 14 of these bills are moving forward. It's a hard feeling for chair of the California Women's Caucus, Cristina Garcia, to describe.
The idea of losing a right, that's never happened in my life. It's just also just dumbfounding to me.
On one hand, she didn't think it would actually happen.
But that quickly shifted to I'm not surprised. And then just appreciative that the caucus has been prepared. In January, we announced a package of 13 bills.
AB 1666 protects patients and health professionals who perform an abortion from lawsuits when the claims are based on laws in other states. AB 2091 enhances privacy protections for medical records to law enforcement and out-of-state third parties. AB 2223 ensures that no one in California will be investigated, prosecuted, or incarcerated for experiencing pregnancy loss.
Happy to report that every single bill is moving through the legislature. They're also accompanied with over $140 million in the budget. Just blessed that we have leadership in both houses and the governor and the caucus to make sure this gets done.
Following the leaked draft decision, the legislature has added a 14th bill, a constitutional amendment to enshrine the right to abortion that is quickly making its way through the process.
We will fight hard with every legal tool possible. We will also fight with our vote.
The bills may be moving forward with a Democratic supermajority, but not all lawmakers are on board. Republican Assembly member Tom Lackey, who adopted 2 children, is pro-life.
I vote no on every bill that supports the decision to destroy an innocent life. That's just the position I will always take, and it's based on my moral commitment.
Says his decision to vote no on all 14 of these bills is not just religious.
I believe that it's in the best interest of our Constitution to allow states to make such a sensitive decision. And I think it's misunderstood what the overturning of this court decision will do.
So when do these bills go into effect? Some of them have an urgency clause, which means they will go into effect as soon as the governor signs them. Most of them will take effect on January 1st, though.
And Jordan, and Morgan, as these things have come out this morning, one thing we know is that one of the justices is looking to possibly look into other historic cases that have been passed by the Supreme Court. What do you think this means in the future for them?
Exactly. Justice Clarence Thomas wrote a concurring opinion that said because of this decision, he wants to now look at other rights granted to the American people under the 14th Amendment, like same-sex marriage. He wants to reopen all of those cases. And I did talk to a constitutional expert about what this means for us and everyone across the country, and that will be coming up at 11:30.
All right, Morgan, we'll talk to you in just a little bit. Thank you.